So, everybody always says be careful with the eggs, right? I'm like, I'm gonna cut it into pieces anyways. So I'm not too concerned with that. Get those out of the way. Now I can take out that rock. Don't blow away in the wind. My biggest thing is when I'm cutting here. See? I come here, take that out, get your hand out of the way, get that out, and then right here on this edge, like right here, you gotta get that pulled out of the way. Look. See that? And you come to the other side, same thing. Cut it through, get that away. Right there. Then so that you can come up here, you have to go underneath the gills here. On the other side. And then look. All of it together. And then that's it. And then watch. And how long did that take?
A minute.
You like that, Eric?
Like that.